Get a car, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Boom.
For the love of the city. All my niggas on the block. 12 o'clock when you willing. Fuck 12 in the cop. Fuck 12. Slip and slide records. Finna take it to the highs. Just get on up and get down. All in my people all across the world.
With y'all, what's up y'all? Today, I gotta get a new car battery, which is another expense added to the long list of car expenses that I already did. But it is what it is. Fuck it. Best Buy. So I need a cheap mini tripod. I'm in Best Buy right now. I don't know what they got. Hopefully they don't break the bank because I already gotta buy a new car battery and I'm feeling it already. But let's check it out. Let's see what they got. Shit, Amazon it is. Uh, 2013 Ford Focus SE. I think I need a new battery, I don't know. I probably do. So they're telling me that it needs to be installed professionally. So they're saying I gotta go to a mechanic or whatever, I don't know. But I'm taking my ass to AutoZone, the real zone. Ford 2013 Ford Focus SE. 2013 Ford Focus SE. They said they can't install it until 2 o'clock. It is now 12 p.m. What the fuck, man? I just want a car battery, that's it. The fuck? I'm about to go to another AutoZone. Fuck that. I ain't giving up. I don't quit, baby. I don't quit. But let me be smart and let me call these people first and find out if they can actually do this shit for me. Hello, yes, I have a quick question. Hello?
What the fuck?
Hello, yes, I have a quick question. I have a car and I need a battery replacement, but I was just wondering, are you guys able to do it?
No, we don't have anyone at the moment to put it in. Not at this location.
I'm going to fuck home and get some breakfast. All I had was this beef jerky right here that I annihilated. That's it. I'm done. Boom! So I'm back home, yeah. I got some of my favorite cereal, Special K with protein. Tastes so good. The milk is a little warm, but it is what it is. So today was a complete and utter fail. You know, I wasn't able to change my battery, but it is what it is. The good news is I didn't spend any money yet. The bad news is I still got a fucked up battery. But anyway, yeah, please share, subscribe. Yep, so I'm at Pep Boys right now. Get my battery changed. I'm not quitting.
1, 2.
My goddamn battery changed. And that's it.
Check me out right here, yo.
So that's it, y'all. I got my battery changed. $130. My car got fixed earlier this week. Basically 800. I'm damn near spending $1,000 on my car right now. But I'm ending the video now. I don't know why I sound like that. I'm ending the video now. Please like, share, subscribe. Hey, make sure you check out my last video. Peace.